Introductory Algebra Homework 10 starts out with exponents. We have to keep in mind that when we have the exponent, it means I take the base times itself that many times. So negative 3 to the third means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. I have 1, 2, 3 negatives. My answer is negative. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Now on your calculator, if you're going to punch it into your calculator, be sure to punch it in just like it looks. If it has parentheses, you need to use the parentheses. On the Casio calculator, you do have an x cubed button, which is way over on the right-hand side of your calculator, right underneath the on button. So you would put in parentheses, negative 3, close your parentheses, hit that x to the third button, and if you hit equals, you should get negative 27. The second one says I'm taking negative 6 and squaring it. Means I'm taking negative 6 times a second negative 6. And when I do a negative times a negative, I end up with a positive 36 for my answer. If you put this in your calculator and you don't use the parentheses, you get a negative 36 answer. We'll get to those problems later, but be careful if you are going to use your calculator that you put the parentheses around that number, or you're not going to get the right answer if your exponent is even. I prefer, again, you do it on your paper, check it with your calculator. So negative 2 to the fourth means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives means I'm going to get a positive answer. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, so positive 16 is my answer. 6 to the third power just means I'm doing 6 times 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36, 36 times 6, 18, 19, 20, 21 is 216. So 6 to the third power should be 216. Whoops. Third one there. Negative 4 to the third power. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. I've got 1, 2, 3 negatives. I know my answer is going to be negative. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So negative 64 would be my answer. On the second one there, I'm taking a negative 8 and squaring it. Negative 8 times a second negative 8. I've got a negative times a negative, so it ends up being positive, and 8 times 8 is 64.